How to connect Hisense TV to Bluetooth speaker. First of all, press the home button in the middle of your Hisense TV remote control. There, you're brought to this screen where you want to press up on the direction pad, then go to the right until you get to the settings cog there. Click OK, the middle button on that. Then in the settings, press down on the direction pad to go to sound, then right to go into the sound settings menu, then scroll down to the audio output. Currently it will be TV speaker. You want to go ahead and press up and then click on to Bluetooth speaker. So if it's already connecting, you'll be okay there. But if not, what you want to do is first of all go down to connection, then scroll down to Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is turned on your TV by clicking the Bluetooth turn on. Make sure it's ticked there. Then you can go into equipment manager, and if you have a Bluetooth device, you can go ahead and turn it on in there. If not, make sure the actual device, the speaker that you have, has Bluetooth turned on and enabled. Otherwise, of course, it will not work. So once you do that, you can go ahead and click on TV Bluetooth speaker. You can go ahead and connect it as it says on screen there for you. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.